Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to invite people to your workspace in ClickUp. So this is very simple and straightforward. So in order to add or invite people to your ClickUp workspace, go over here to this invite users to your workspace button, and now choose a role which do you want to invite them as. So you can invite them as member, limited member, guest, or admin. So if you want a regular member, just click on member, and then right here type their email addresses. Make sure they are correct to avoid any misinvitations. Now once you invite them, click on send invite, like so. As you can see, he has been invited. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.